Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. If you've ever been frustrated by low resolution, blurry, or pixelated videos, and you want to make your footage look crisp, clear, and professional, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 4DDIG AI Video Enhancer, an incredibly powerful tool that can upscale low-quality videos to 4K, enhance image details, and fix common issues like blurriness and noise. Whether you're a content creator, filmmaker, or just someone looking to improve personal videos, this tool works like magic to bring out the best in your media. Stick around as we explore how it works, what features it offers, and how you can use it to improve your videos step by step. What is 4DDIG AI Video Enhancer? Before jumping into the tutorial, let's quickly go over what 4DDIG AI Video Enhancer actually does. This software is designed to increase video resolution and improve overall quality, making your footage look sharper and more polished. But that's not all. 4DDIG AI also offers photo enhancement and colorization features, allowing you to restore and improve old or damaged images with just a few clicks. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the Video Enhancer feature. Add your video click on Video Enhancer and then add videos to upload the footage you want to enhance. You can add any type of video, whether it's a home recording, a YouTube clip, an old film, or an animated video. Once your video is loaded, the real magic begins. Choose the right AI enhancement model. AI Video Enhancer comes with multiple AI-powered models, each designed to improve different types of footage. Here's a breakdown of the available models. General model enhances overall sharpness, adjusts colors, and improves brightness for a clearer and more vibrant video. Face model, specially trained to restore and enhance faces in videos, making them look sharper and more detailed in HD quality. Anime model enhances animated videos, making them look more detailed and smooth. It can even convert normal videos into an anime-style look. Once you've selected the right model, set your output resolution, and you're ready for the next step. Start enhancing your video. Now, simply click Enhance and let 4DDIG AI work its magic. The AI will process your video, fixing blur, pixelation, noise, and other quality issues automatically. This process may take a few minutes depending on the length and quality of your original video. But once it's done, you'll be amazed at the difference. Save and compare the results. Once the enhancement is complete, save your newly improved video to your computer. Now, check out the before and after comparison. You'll notice that the colors are richer, the details are sharper, the overall quality is significantly better. Your low-resolution video has now been transformed into something high quality and professional looking. Bonus: photo enhancement and colorization. If you also have old or blurry photos, 4DDIG Photo Enhancer can help fix them too. Just upload an image from your computer, and you can reduce blur, make photos look sharper and more detailed, upscale resolution, increase image quality without losing details, colorize old black and white images, bring historical photos back to life. Just like with videos, all you need to do is select the AI model, choose the output quality, and click Enhance. Within seconds, your photo will be restored with impressive clarity and detail. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, 4DDIG AI Enhancer can turn blurry, low-quality videos and photos into stunning, high-resolution media. Whether you're working on personal projects, professional content, or just want to restore old memories, this tool is a game changer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Have any questions? Want to see more content like this? Drop a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.